Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner. If you love playing with EA image generator but hate the limitations like slow speed, paid credits or generation limits, then today's video is going to blow your mind. Introducing Gentube, not just another AI tool, but a whole new form of entertainment. Gen is where people come to create for fun. It's completely free, unlimited, super fast, and honestly incredibly addictive. Gentube is not your typical AI tool, it's more like an open playground for creativity. It's designed to inspire you at every step. Whether you are a casual scroller, an inspiring designer, or just someone who loves messing with creative ideas, Gentube is made for you. You can explore trending images, play with different styles, and create unlimited high-quality visuals with just one click. And it's absolutely free. No paywall, no nonsense. Let's dive in and generate some images to show you how fun and fast this is. The link is available in the description below. So click on the create button and you will see a prompt bar at the top. I'm going to the top in something simple like a beautiful girl. And here is our dessert instantly. No waiting 2 to 5 minutes like other wages. No, let's go a bit. A beautiful girl in a photography studio. And again, just a second later, here she is. Let's make it even more specific. High contrast, lightning, fashion, style, and just like that, we have a stunning image. How cool is that? Know what? If you want to enhance your prompt, just click the Refine Prompt button. Gen will automatically improve your prompt and generate new images based on that refined input. And if you are not loving a specific result, hit regenerate and it will instantly give you a fresh new version. This is one of my favorite features, the change style option. You can just slider to transform your image into watercolor, cyberpunk, anime, pixel art, and more. Just drag the slider to your preferred style and Gen will generate the image in that style right away. No effort, just results. If you need a specific image size for a project or platform, no problem. Click the aspect ratio icon and choose from options like 1x1, 4x3, 3x4, 16x9 or 9x6. Set your ratio and Gentube will generate accordingly. Let's try some fun prompts now. Hot pepperoni pizza fresh from the oven on a wooden table. Melted cheese, realistic food photography. Look at this delicious image. You can almost smell it. Now a busy New York street at night with new lights and people walking. And here is the result. Absolutely stunning, full of life and detail. Gentube doesn't stop at photos. You can even create a logos. Let's try a strong gym logo, black and red color scheme. And here it is. If you don't like the style, just click on the regenerator button till you satisfied. Now, let's try another one. A playful burger restaurant logo. So fun and colorful. You can regenerate as many times as you want until you get your perfect design. So Gentube also features something unique. Chin blocks. On the right hand side, you will see blogs created by others. Click on create blog and you can name your blog, add a description, choose the type like subject, place, emoji or style. Add a description like a stunning lady with graceful charm. Click create subject and your image will be generated based on that. So make sure the prompt bar above is empty before you create a blog, otherwise it mixes the two prompts. And now your blog is saved and live. On the right hand side, check out recently created blogs by others. You can explore other options like place. You can choose from like city, beach, nightclub or nature. For example, let's select city. Now your character appears in a city. Next, choose beach and here we have the result. You can also choose a mood or be like emojis. And Gentube generates an image that reflects that energy. And you can also choose different styles like female attraction, HDR, 4K and so on. You can try combining style with your prompts for cinematic result. Now let's explore the Gen Style feature. Here you can select a style to guide your image. You can select anime, watercolor, cyberpunk, realistic, abstract, minimalist. Let's test it. For example, I am going to give a prompt a red vintage convertible car parked on a Castor Road. And you can see a beautiful high detail image. You can also drag the slider toward your desired effect and Gentube will generate. Gentube generate a brand new result in that visual style. It's super fun and creative. Now change the style, choose watercolor, it becomes a painting. Choose cyberpunk, no, it's futuristic and new. So each version is unique and beautifully crafted. So that's Gentube, a creative experience that is 100% free, unlimited image generation. It's super fast, full of unique styles, prompts, and blogs. And you can create trending images, logos, styles, food photos, fantasy scenes, whatever you can dream of. The link to Gentube is in the description below. Go try it out now. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.